Hello everyone, I Harmeet welcome you all on WsCube Tech channel. So in this video we are going to talk about that how you can make money while you are making content on YouTube or how you can earn money through YouTube. So let's get started. So in this video I'm going to talk about total 8 ways from those who you can earn money that will help you to get money to your bank account by creating content for YouTube. So let's get started. So let me clear one thing here that there would be some tips for that. You need to enable your YouTube partnership program, or I should say that you should enable the monetization on your channel. For that you must have 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time. So make sure you do that. Otherwise, I'm going to tell you about some ways which will help you to get money even when you haven't enabled the monetization for your channel. It means even if you don't have 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time, you can earn money from YouTube. So for that, do watch this video till the end. Alright. So let's get started. The first and foremost and the very important way to earn money from YouTube is to run ads on your videos. For that you need to enable the monetization on your channel. Only then you will be able to run ads on your videos. Just make sure that whenever you are uploading a video, you need to on the monetization for that video. If you do not on the monetization on a particular video or that live, the ads won't run on that video and you won't get the revenue. So basic calculation is the more watch time you get, the more ads will run on your videos and the more revenue you will get from your videos. Once you will be eligible for monetization, it means once you get the 1000 of subscribers and 4000 of watch hours, only then you will be able to enable the monetization. And there's another condition that you should not have any active guideline strike on your channel. Only then you will be able to monetize your account. So just keep your monetization on. Whenever you go live, just click on enable monetization and select the ads. The more ads that will run on your videos, the more money you will get. Alright, so this is the foremost thing, and the most of the YouTubers earn money from this technique, that to run ads on your videos. Just make sure if you have an adult content, or if you are making content for the kids, only then the ads would be restricted on your videos. Not all the ads, but few ads will be restricted, so it can affect your revenue also. So whenever you are creating such kind of content, make sure about that. All right, so let's get started. So let's move on to the another way of earning money from YouTube, that is from funding from your fans. Here I'm talking about the super thanks, super chat and the super stickers. Whenever you will enable the monetization, you'll get the option of enabling the supers. Okay, so your audience can donate you some money while you are live. They can send you some love in form of some funding or in form of some donation. This is another important way to earn money from the YouTube. Most of the celebrities or most of the gamers earn really good amount of money from this technique. They just enable their supers and they ask their fans to thank themselves by giving a small portion of money. And if you have a large audience, then this trick can work wonder for you, and you can really earn a good amount of money from this technique. The another way to earn money from YouTube is to sell your merchandise. You can create your own goodies. You won't do this, but you will authorize some companies that are available on YouTube. As soon as you enable the monetization, there is an option to sell your merchandise. You will go there and there are some requirements of those companies, that you must have one company Spring that requires 50k plus subscribers to your channel, and another requires 100k plus of subscribers. You'll apply to those companies and you sell your merchandise, your goodies like your t-shirts, like your caps, or like your mugs. These kind of merchandise you can sell to your fans and your audience. So if you have a large audience, for example 1 million, 2 million, then this thing also can work for you and you can earn money from them. Those companies will sell your products and you will earn commission on that. Okay, Another thing that you can earn money from, that is through channel membership. You can ask your audience to join that membership of your channel, so you can give them some perks, you can give them some extra videos or some extra live chats. I'm going to come with another video where I'll talk about all these things, that how you can enable channel membership, how you can enable your supers, all the things I'm going to talk about. So make sure you subscribe our channel so that you don't miss a video. So this is channel membership. You can just ask your audience to join your membership. Within like one click under your video, they can join your channel and be a loyal member of your channel, so that you can give some perk to them. All right, so this is another way to earn money from YouTube. Your another way is YouTube Premium. So this is really good, that nowadays, as you have seen, that you might have seen in the advertisements, that YouTube Premium is a thing, and earlier it was YouTube Red subscriber. So people can buy the YouTube Premium and no ads will be shown to them. Okay, so in that case, what happens, for as a creator, it is a loss for me, because if one of my subscriber buys the YouTube Premium, then he won't see any ads on my video. So it means my revenue will get affected, and so to compensate that, YouTube gives you some portion of their YouTube Premium revenue. So if your subscriber, for example, you have a 1000 subscribers, and out of those, if 100 people buys YouTube Premium, then YouTube will share some portion of that revenue with you. Alright, so this is the YouTube Premium revenue. You don't have to do anything for that. Just make sure the monetization is on all the videos. Only then you'll get the YouTube Premium revenue automatically in your AdSense account. Alright, the another way to earn money from YouTube is through the sponsorships. When you will have a large audience, people will contact you, the brands will contact you, and they will ask you to create the content for themselves, where you'll create your usual content and you will do the marketing for their products. That you can do. So people will people can sponsorship your videos, or they can sponsorship your live also. All right, but just make sure that whenever you are uploading that video or whenever you are going live, don't forget to enable the sponsorship thing, that this video includes any paid promotion. Okay, because YouTube taking these things really seriously nowadays. So if you have a sponsorship product in your account or on your videos, make sure to tell this thing to the YouTube. And sponsorship is a great thing. You just need to have a large audience which follows you. You can influence people. All right, so only then you will get the benefit of sponsorship. Okay, so one thing is there, you don't need to enable the monetization for that. If you have a larger audience, if your videos are popular, if you are popular, if you are an influencer, then automatically the brands and companies will contact you and they will pay you some money for marketing their products on your videos. You can even share the links of their products in your description box, so that people can buy from there and you'll get some extra commission. All right, so that is our 7th point, that you can add the affiliate links to your channel description or your video description, and you can earn commission from that. As you all know that how affiliate marketing works, when you do the marketing of someone else's product and you earn the commission from that. All right, so for example, I'm making this video, so I can share the link of this mic, that from where I have bought this mic, from where I have bought this jacket, from where I have bought this system, these lights, these camera, and I can add the affiliate link in my description box, and people will click on them, and if they buy from that particular link, I will get the commission. All right, so this is what affiliate marketing. Related to the affiliate marketing, the another way to earn money from the YouTube will be the Amazon influencer program. It means you'll get the official member of Amazon influencer program, and you promote the products which are available on Amazon, and you create the content on them, and you recommend your audience that please buy this product, this is really useful. For example, if you are making a recipe video, if you're making a food video, then from where you got the food processor, so you can say that I got from Amazon, and you can review it out there, and you can put the link in your description box, so people can click that Amazon link and they can buy that product. Okay, so this is also something related to the affiliate marketing, but you will be selling only the Amazon verified product. So this is a good thing if you do not want to be a particular affiliate marketing. All right, so these were some 8 tips from that you can earn money from YouTube. All right, I wish you luck, that you use all the things and you'll get success and a big amount of money to your bank account. And make sure to add the AdSense account to your YouTube channel. Only then you'll get the money transferred through ads or through supers or merchandise and YouTube membership thing. So only then you'll get the money in your bank account. So follow all the things, and I'm going to come up with videos where I'm going to talk about that how you can enable these things, and all the things related to YouTube I'm going to come up on this channel only. So make sure to subscribe the channel, and this video was useful for you, please hit the like button, and if there are any question or queries, you can comment down under this video, and please subscribe. Thank you so much.